Okay. Tell me why I should care about my scars.
Well, it's scars are just part of the picture, and they're kind of what I call the gateway entry point into what is neural therapy. And neural therapy is it's a medical modality that is used to treat and identify and treat different disturbances in the nervous system that we call interference fields. I like the term disturbance because it makes a little more sense than
Mhm.
interference. And it can be used on all systems of the body, from organ systems to physical, like structural systems, like the anatomy, physiology, to mental, emotional health. So it's not just scarring. Scarring is just one type of disturbance in the body, and it's one of the most recognizable disturbances in the body.
Sure. And we all
That
have them.
yeah, we all
Yeah.
have them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So are scars something, we really need to take a look at, and can helping get rid of scars, which I don't know if there's a way to get rid of a scar, can getting rid of scars or kind of loosening them up, can that help with our health?
Yes, yes. So back to the disturbances in the body. They, I think of these disturbances as little blockages in the body, and if we think of a scar in particular, it's like a dam in the body where it blocks blood
Mm.
flow, it blocks nerve conduction, it blocks lymphatic flow, and it blocks chi, right? So energy flow in the body. We are energetic beings.
Mhm.
Energy moves through our body, and so these scars in our body, it's a physical block. And so that's why I say it's the most recognizable disturbance we can find, and the gateway blockage, so to speak. And what a scar is it's mismatched collagen crosslinks. So if your normal tissue is like these crosslinks, collagen crosslinks, they're all nicely, neatly organized.
Mhm.
A scar is like mishmashed like that, right?
Mm.
It's a mess of collagen crosslinks that your body used to triage a wound, and to treat that with in the neural therapy way, we are using procaine, a dilute procaine, that we inject directly into the scar that helps signal your immune system from the micro trauma of the injection itself to come in and repair all those collagen crosslinks, as well as the metabolites from the procaine help to soften the tissue and soften the collagen itself to help your body remodel and hopefully bring everything back into alignment. Does it aesthetically remove the scar completely? No. Does it usually soften it? Yes. I never make guarantees to a first time patient, but most of the time I see improvement in the scar over time.
Mhm.
And oftentimes after one treatment, I'll see that.
Okay, so you and I have experienced that, and I'll talk about that in a few minutes. But when you said blockage, I immediately thought of, like a football game and the defensive line, and they're blocking the other players from getting across. So can scars be a blockage like that when it comes to, it sounds like you're saying blood flow, lymphatic flow, and just energy flow in general?
Mhm. Yeah. Yeah,
Okay.
literally, like that's what I mean by the dam. It's blocking these things
Hmm.
from flowing properly, and it's blocking the signaling in your body and preventing normal signaling, which can lead to pain. It can lead to dysautonomic function because your nervous system isn't working. Neural
Hmm.
therapy, the word neural therapy is working on the nervous system. So we're working on the autonomic nervous system specifically to help reset and recalibrate different thresholds to reduce pain is probably a broad description of the
Hmm.
treatment. So yeah, it's literally blockages.